Hedge funds require large capital deposits, often in the millions, to join and are only available to accredited investors and institutional investors. Accredited investors are people who have a net worth over $1 million, excluding their home residence, or individuals who make over $200,000 a year individually or $300,000 a year jointly. Hedge fund manager Kenneth Griffin, the CEO of Citadel LLC, raked in $2.5 billion in earnings just last year alone. Jim Simons, who started Renaissance Technologies, has a net worth of over $24 billion. All hedge fund managers aren't billionaires, however. The salaries of hedge fund managers run the whole gambit. The average hedge fund manager's salary is $97,000 to $149,000 per year. The median salary goes far higher, being $97,000 to $245,000 per year.